Within the iNASHR project, our team has been involved in both the production of 3 videos, but more importantly, the scaling, the dissemination of those videos to farmers. And that's been done through what we call Entrepreneurs for Rural Access. There are 18 teams, young people, men and women, and they have been showing the videos in their communities using this little smart projector, which allows them to operate in the field where there is no electricity, there's no internet, but they can use the smart projector to show to farmer groups. And that they've been doing extremely successfully. The farmers will then discuss, take on board the information that they've seen, which is very well peer reviewed, but the videos are all farmer to farmer. So it's farmers saying to other farmers what they have done and about the technology and how they have applied it in their field. And that means the farmers can then take that information, discuss, understand, and then apply it to their own situation. We've reached 60,000 people through this method, so it's been highly successful, and it's really gratifying to see the impact that that's had both with women and men farmers.